Welcome to this video tutorial. Today, we'll guide you through the process of designing with Xdraw. To start, log into your Xtenavy account and navigate to Design via Xdraw from the left side of the dashboard. Name your design, and you can choose from the Xtenavy templates available in the drop-down menu, or if you prefer, you can start from scratch. If you create multiple identical designs, you can modify the number by clicking the Number of Designs button. You also have the option to start your design with a floor plan by clicking the Start with Floor Plan button. Next, you can choose an existing project or create a new one by providing details like name, group, budget, and stage name. Once you've filled in the details, click Create Design. You will be redirected to the BOM page. You can easily search and add products using the search feature, filtering by brand, category, or model. Then, Search Sense is an AI-powered feature that remembers your previous searches and preferences, placing your most used products at the top of the search page. For example, I searched for and added a Shure microphone. You can see here that this product has been used 10 times before. Then, there are two types of libraries to consider. The first is the combined library, including the Xtenavy and My Library. Second, My Library serves as the organization's product catalog. You can use the Add Custom Item feature to add custom items as single or packaged products. Then click Open Xdraw Editor to begin working on the schematics. To do your schematics, hover over a port, and a green dot will appear. As illustrated, you can then connect it to another port. You can pull your latest BOM changes to the editor by clicking the Pull BOM Changes button. You will notice that the Shure microphone has been pulled from the BOM. Place it over your design and make the line connection. On the left side of the editor, you'll find a menu of options that can help you customize your design. Explore the Product Block feature to find and include products directly from the editor in your project. This way, you won't have to go back and forth to your bill of material if you forgot to add a product. Use the Product Images feature to add images directly from the Xtenavy or My Library to your designs. Incorporate Avixa symbols or Xdraw symbols to include different symbols relevant to your design. Remember to save all your changes by clicking the Click Here to Save button. Once you've completed your design, click on the View Design Docs button to view different documents related to your designs. The first is the bill of materials we created before delving into line schematics. You can view or download it by clicking the designated button. You also have the option to download it in Excel or PDF. Following this, we have the line schematics we recently created in our Xdraw editor. Click View for a quick overview. Following this, we have the automated signal flow diagram. Click on Generate, and the system will promptly collect images of your equipment from your schematic and construct a detailed visual representation of your design. Next, we have the automated rack layout. Click Generate, and the system will craft a rack elevation specifically for you. Following this, we have the automated cable schedule. This feature provides a thorough wiring guide for your technician, including cable IDs, the devices at both ends of the cable, ports, and more. Plus, the schedule can be exported as an Excel or PDF document. Then, the automated ceiling speaker layout is accessible by clicking the View button. Input the room specifications by clicking the Specification button. Modify or add specifications as needed. Your automated ceiling speaker layout will be generated according to your specifications. Moving on, we have proposals. This feature allows you to generate client proposals directly from your design. Following that, we present the scope of work, a blank canvas for you. If you need to outline a scope, you can do it here. Next, we have floor plans. You can create a floor plan from scratch or upload an existing file from your system with the designated buttons. You can upload PNG, JPG, SVG, PDF, DWG, or DXF formats. This is how your uploaded file appears. You can access your floor plan by clicking on it and starting annotating by affecting your BOM products. Next, we have the automated front elevation diagram. Fill in the room dimensions, select the display, and the diagonal size aspect. Your automated front elevation will be created. Next, we have plates and panels. Search for plates and connectors by entering the model number or brand name, then add them to your editor. You can also customize your plates by simply adjusting connectors directly. Name the wall plate design and click Save. Your plates and panels are automatically synchronized and saved as bundled packages in your bill of materials. Finally, we have Submittals spec sheets. Once you click on Generate, the submittal document is created to compile all product spec sheets in your BOM, eliminating the manual task of downloading spec sheets from various manufacturers. Use the Resync Submittals button to keep your document updated in real time based on your latest BOM. Likewise, you can include submittals as a section within your proposals. There are several other actions you can perform within the Xdraw. You can save your drawing as an Xdraw template, so you don't have to start the design from scratch for a standardized job. Access these templates under Xdraw Templates. Then, we have View Versions, where you can create and track changes for different versions within the same project. Next up is the Download Zip option. Download all your documents together rather than downloading each one separately. Select the documents and their desired format, then click Continue. You'll receive an email containing your documents shortly after. Then we have the option to upload attachment, which you can use like Dropbox. You can upload site images, pictures, forms, and more, except for video files. Then we have Asset Management. It includes the model number, description, and quantity for each item in your BOM. You can manually add assets, modify headers, and export them as Excel or PDF. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and information, visit x1080.com.